Hello everyone, welcome to Jada's Arts Academy. My name is Mavic Squats. In our last video, you saw how we added a poster to a video in a website. More like adding a thumbnail in YouTube, we added a poster to a video in a website, and you saw the source code and how it all came out into this kind. The poster or the image, and when we click on the video it shows the whole video. But then we noticed that the video took up most of the space, and I said in our next video, which is this one, I'm going to show you how you can make adjustments so that the poster and the video will be at the same size. They will have the same size without having the video to take up most of the whole space. So watch to the end and learn how you can do that. So I'm going back to our text editor and I've opened the HTML file, and as you can see, the video source, the poster is still there, and the controls, which is this, the play button and all the volume, they are all there. So to adjust the size, we are going to use two attributes, the width and the height. So I'm going to, let's put it before the control. Okay, so I'm going to add the width and the height. So the width will make it to be 220, and then let me save it. The width, this is the width, and then the height. So the purpose of the width and the height is to adjust the size so that when the video is played, it wouldn't take most of the space. So we've already given the video the width and the height, the exact size that it's supposed to be once it's played. So I'm going to save it, and once we save it and refresh, you'll see it. Did you notice it? It didn't take most of the space once it was played, and it was because given the right size and the right height. We've written it 320 for this width and 240 for the height. That was why when the video was being played, it didn't take the space. So you've seen how to adjust it, and you can even increase the width to be 520 and save it. You can even change the size, you see it. So when you play it, the video is still in the same place where the poster was. It didn't just take the whole page of it all. So there, you can adjust the size using the two attributes, the width and the height. And you've seen that you can also change the sizing using the width. You can change it to 520, you could even increase it to 600. You could do the same for the height. You can change the height to be, the value to be 300, 320, whichever one it is that you feel that the website will be better off with. So there, we've already seen how to add a poster, and we've seen how to adjust it so that it is in the same size with the poster. So when you play the video, it doesn't take the whole page. So you've learned how to do that using those two, the width and the height. In the next video, I'm going to show you another important feature of how to add a video to your website. So thank you very much for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can also hit the subscribe button and click on all so as to get notified of our upcoming videos in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great day.